The war in Ukraine has proven that modern drones have a significant impact on the course of hostilities. It seems that their importance on the modern battlefield will continue to grow. Today, we will talk about the most dangerous military UAVs in the world. An unmanned aerial vehicle or UAV is a combat drone that is capable of carrying aircraft munitions such as missiles, anti-tank guided missiles, and bombs, and it is used for recognitions of target, detection, and tracking. These drones are usually controlled in real time, but they can also operate with varying degrees of autonomy. Number 5. IAI Heron TP. This drone developed in Israel is one of the most classified, despite the fact that it first took up to the air in 2004. It was created by Israel Aerospace Industries and is an updated version of IAI Heron. Yes, it first became known in 2004, but only in 2006 did the developers announce that the drone would soon make its first flight, and only the end of 2007 it was finally presented to the general public. IAI Heron can be used for surveillance and target detections and is capable of performing combat tasks such as missile defense and long-range strategic strikes. In addition, the drone is equipped with a mid-air refueling system. Its large size and payload allow it to carry not only missiles and bombs but also kamikaze strike drones. Of the few known operations involving the IAI Heron is the 2009 raid on the Gaza Strip, in which an Iraqi convoy was destroyed, and the highly controversial attack in the same area in 2014 when drone operators mistakenly fired on Jode family. Number 4. Elbit Hermes 900. Another creation of Israeli engineers that can boast of real combat experience and is of great interest to armies around the world. The Elbit Hermes 900 is a tactical medium-altitude long-range unmanned aerial vehicle designed primarily to enable the Israeli Defense Forces to conduct intelligence, surveillance, and target recognition operations. The Hermes 900 is a larger, better, and more sophisticated version of the Hermes 450, famous for its successful airstrikes on the Gaza Strip in 2008-2009. After nearly 2 months of attacks, it is estimated that some 2,300 Palestinian Hamas militants were killed. The actual number killed by this drone is unknown, but the battle-tested status has proved Israelis with new contracts with Brazil and Switzerland. The Hermes 900 UAV was designed to provide maximum endurance. In addition, flight efficiency and reduced fuel consumption was increased. Operations with the integrated satellite communication terminal out of line of sight may be performed from the nose of the aircraft. Number 3. Yabahorn United 40. The Yabahorn United 40 is a multi-purpose drone that serves mainly in the Algerian army and is manufactured by the United Arab Emirates. In addition to military operations, the drone can also serve the humanitarian tasks. The Yabahorn United 40 UAV was unveiled at the 2011 Dubai Air Show and demonstrated at the International Defense Exhibition and Conference in Abu Dhabi in February 2013. The first flight took place in March 2013. The drone has a length of 11.13 meter, a height of 4.38 meter, and a wingspan of 20 meter. The curve weight and maximum takeoff weight of the aircraft are 520 kg and 1500 kg respectively. The total lifting area is 24.3 square and the fuel tank capacity is 900 liters. Yabahorn United 40 can be equipped with Yabahorn Namrod air-to-ground missiles in a rotary launcher, Yabahorn Thunder cruise missiles, Feminka torpedoes, and guided bombs. Number 2. General Atomics MQ9 Reaper. The improved Predator model was named the MQ9 Reaper and quickly proved its name. It was first used in 2007 in Afghanistan, destroying a rebel car. A month after this event, the MQ9 Reaper already had several dozen units of destroyed equipment, and when it began to be used not only by the Americans but also by the British, Italians, and French, this number increased significantly. The drone is very often used in missions, but it carries almost 1.5 tons of weapons not by chance. Although it is not the most technologically advanced drone by modern standards, it is one of the most powerful and widespread in the world. With many updates, millions of hours of operation, the Reaper has become a billboard for modern drone warfare. Number 1. Sukhoi S70 Okhotnik B. This first Russian combat stealth drone was a continuation of the previous MiG project called SCAT. Although it seems that they really wanted to make a 6th generation plane, but whether they bit more often than they could chew on or ripped off something poorly was something in between an airplane and a drone turned out. The Ox call it Strike, an unmanned complex, but in fact it is a large combat drone built in a flying wing concept. Although the design of the flying wing has been rejected by all developers in the world, the drone has a conventional AL-31 turbojet engine with an unmodified nozzle. The question is whether it is really a stealth drone or again everything is just on paper. But what distinguishes this UAV from other similar drone is its size, almost 4 times heavier than a similar aircraft and much larger. If they do not lie, it can carry almost 3 tons of weapons and has a range of 6,000 km. The most important thing is that all the tests were not very successful. The Okhotnik is designed to pair with 5th generation Su-57 jet fighter, but both have shown that there were no direct interaction. During training flights, there were always problems. The drone often failed. It was supposed to be adopted by the Russian Air Force in 2024, but now clearly it won't be because most of the components were from Western manufacturers and sanctions do their job. The use of drones in modern warfare has given our military a great advantage. These small and quiet killers are capable of inflicting devastating blows to enemies. These are the new realities of modern warfare. Our armed forces have already proved many times that they know how to fight in a modern day using state-of-the-art weapons including drones. So sit back and relax and keep watching our videos, and please do subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.